Hello, hello, and happy holidays to you two, and you, and you. Happy holidays! Glad you could be here. Hi, how are you? Hi there, I'm so happy to see you.
On this very special night, we wish we might.
Happy holidays!
And the wish we wish tonight be a Christmas fantasy.
How you doing? Things good? Good. Good. Me too. Me too. Oh, looks like I've got to go. Bye.
The spirit of the season will make the dreams come true. Memories of Christmas are with me and you.
It's the sweetest time of year. You got it, more gumdrops coming right on. So big and show. yummy ingredients. Yup, and a good recipe. And the baker's eye for arranging your treats just so. Wow, just look out there, Pluto. You got that right, boy. A whole bunch of future bakers as far as the eye can see. Well, hey there, how you doing? You can say that again, Pluto.
holidays and beyond. I need a present report. What's Santa delivering this year? Just look at this Yuletide celebration. Very impressive.
I can't wait to meet the other toys this year. Just as soon as they're unwrapped, I'll teach them some rope tricks. Hey, there's a snake in my stocking! No, sorry guys. I'm just pulling a string. Hey everyone, it's Christmas time! The toys are back and better than ever! Whoa!
Until Christmas. Can you believe it? Be kind to one another. Spread peace and joy wherever you go. I love you all very much. On behalf of the North Pole and the Disneyland Resort, we wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Princess, and a